YouTube sent me a notification. My channel just turned 1 year.
Surprise!
Just before you celebrate, I posted over 150 videos, 52 of which are unlisted. And today I'm at 426 subscribers. I see creators quit too early after 5 videos, 10 videos, and sometimes even more. Don't get me wrong, I wanted to quit myself, but I keep going. If you ever thought about quitting just because your channel is not growing, this video is for you. I hope at the end of this video that I'm able to change your mind. One thing most people don't realize that every creators go through this stage, and let's call this one confusing middle. It's that stage where you're doing everything you know how to do, tweaking your thumbnail, rewriting your script, posting consistently, learning, and the rest. But still, the results are not matching the effort. When I started posting consistently, I thought something was wrong with me. I'll see some creators blow up with 2 videos or even 1. And here I am, over 150 videos, and still sitting on a tiny numbers. Nobody tells you how lonely this stage feels. You're excited, you posted the video, and after 24 hours, you came back and you see no views or even just 2 views. If you live in my country, Nigeria, you will understand that it is even beyond just making videos. Just like right now, when I started making videos, I lost electricity. These things can weaken your spirit or even kill your motivation if you're not careful. Let me tell you the part I didn't understand at first. You are not failing. In fact, you are building. And the building stage doesn't usually make noise. Your storytelling is improving quietly. Your confidence on camera is improving quietly. And you're learning your audience quietly. You're learning your tone, your editing style, your message, everything quietly. The truth is, small creators like us don't get that applause while we are growing. We grow in silence. We grow when nobody is clapping at all. We grow in this uncomfortable valley where everything feels slow. Let me tell you what is really happening behind the scene, just in case you don't know. One thing I've learned this past year is that YouTube is always studying you. Even when it looks like nothing is happening. Sometimes a video will move slowly, then sleep for 2 months, 3 months, and then it wakes up again. I used to panic when that happens. I used to think, maybe my channel is scattered, maybe I'm the problem. But here is what is really happening. YouTube needs time to understand who your content is for. It's like you and YouTube are learning each other. You're learning the platform, and the platform is learning your content. And that learning period, let me tell you, it can feel like punishment, but it's part of the journey. If you stop right now, you will never know the part of you that will grow into something powerful. Every time I feel like giving up, I remember just one thing. People discover you in layers. You never know which video will introduce you to the world. If you stop at 5, if you stop at 10, you will never unlock that 20th video or even 40th video that will make you go viral. And most importantly, you will never unlock that video that would have made you show your confidence completely. And if you stop before 100, you'll never reach that one that finally click with your audience. Your future audience is waiting for the version of you that you haven't even created yet. When I started on YouTube, this me now is not the me that started off on YouTube. I used to stutter with my words. You could see my anxiety when I step in front of the camera. But now I feel more confident than ever. I am at that stage where every video unravel different parts of me that I never knew was there. Don't quit in your quiet season. If my small channel of 426 hasn't given up, why should you? Here's the truth nobody told me when I started, and I think you should know it now. You don't grow because you posted 5 videos or 10 videos. You grow because you kept showing up. There were days I posted and the video sat at 2 subscribers for 2 days. There were nights I edited till morning, and I woke up to see no views, no new subscribers. And there were days I felt invisible, like I was uploading into an empty room where no one visits. But you know what I discovered? Every time I push through that silence, maybe coming on live stream or posting a video or even sitting in front of the camera just like this, something in me was growing. My discipline level, my confidence level grew. My understanding of content is growing every day. And my resilience, that one is off the roof. YouTube will test you before it rewards you. And that's the stage I'm in right now. YouTube will subconsciously ask you this question: are you here for attention or you are here for impact? And honestly, this 1 year has humbled me because even when I'm at 426 subscribers today, I can look back and say, I thank God I didn't quit. And that to me alone is victory. So if you're watching this and your channel feels stuck, if you're doubting yourself, if you're comparing your journey with other creators who blew up in 3 videos, in 3 months, even in 2 weeks, I need you to breathe. This part is where most creators run away. But this is also the part that builds you. This is what I tell myself. Your small number does not mean you're small. They just mean you're early. Keep going, keep creating, keep learning. And one day you look back and say, this is why it took time. If you're still watching, hear me now. Your growth won't come from the video you post. It will come from the creator you become while you're posting them. And yes, I'm 1 year in, over 150 videos and 426 subscribers, but I'm still here. Not because everything is perfect, but because consistency is louder than any doubt. So if you're building your channel like me, don't wait to feel ready. Don't wait for viral moments. And don't wait for permission. Just start. And when you start, make sure you don't stop. Before you go, I need you to comment below how long have you been on YouTube and what's your numbers? And what's the hardest part of growing on YouTube right now? I genuinely want to hear your story because we are all growing together, one video at a time. And if you want more honest YouTube growth videos like this, make sure to subscribe and put on your notification bell so that anytime I upload, you'll be the first person to get notified. And make sure to keep showing up even in the days you feel like nobody is watching, because trust me, somebody is.